Hi, today we're talking about an interesting form that is screening checklist for visitors and employees form. This is a simple checklist form which can help spread of any diseases such as COVID-19, and it is ideal for hospitals or other organizations to stay open during crisis. So there are some fields available over here which the particular applicant can fill up, which can help us detect if they have any existing diseases within them. Okay, so I've added some template fields over here, which you can obviously customize and modify as per your needs. Everything is customizable. You can even add or delete any of these fields as per your choice. How exactly does it work? Once the applicant fills in all these details, you can go to the responses view and you can see the responses getting captured over here under the responses section. Okay, so I'm going to quickly click on share form, click on copy form link. This will copy the link of this particular form. You need to expose this link to the particular applicant who is going to fill out this form. Okay, and once they see this form, they can quickly enter the details over here. So I'm going to randomly fill in the details, and then we are going to understand how exactly it works. Okay, so I'm filled in some of the details. I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. And if you go back to the responses side of things, you will be able to see the response getting captured over here. Okay, so this is how easy and quick and simple it is to capture any of the responses over here from Notion. Okay, you can obviously modify all these things as per your choice. As I previously mentioned, this was just a sample template file. Besides this, I also want to highlight about a new tool that is PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It exercises the use of a Notion page, which acts as a source of the template file where the PDF document is defined, and it also captures information from a Notion database, which acts as a source of database which can replace on the Notion page. So everything works within the Notion CRM, and you can use this tool to generate documents in bulk. I've added a video of how you can exactly do the same to generate bulk invoice documents. So you can definitely watch this video to understand more about this process. But you can replicate the same process to any of the documents for your use case for personal or commercial use cases. If you have any questions or queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can assist you with any questions that you might have. But do check out PDF Output to understand more about this process. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.